Hey guys, this is a video response to SciFlicksReviews. Hi Sci. This is my basement reviews, and this here is my buddy, Steven. First off, we want to wish you a happy birthday.
We saw your video, and since we both play WoW, we decided to make a video response telling you which shirt we thought you should pick.
So we agreed that the level !!! humanoid video might not make sense outside of World of Warcraft players, so that one's And as awesome as Murloco's t-shirt is, having a Murloc in real life isn't as awesome as it sounds. I should know. I have one. Shut up, Gilligan!
Go to your room.
Yeah, get in your cage.
Get in your cage.
Sorry about that. Those Murlocs are crazy.
Anyways, we think that the locked chest shirt is the best so far.
Yeah. Plus, being provocative every now and then isn't such a bad thing.
Winky face.
Awkward.
Hey, Steven, I'm thinking about rolling a rogue now. What do you think?
Pervert.
What? Oh, you thought that I meant because rogues can unlock Anyways, have a happy birthday.
Puzzle jumper, the coaster runner, call me the tide hunter. Raise your flippers to the sky. I am more than a fish. I am more than a man. Death will rise from the tide. I am Murloc. I am king of the sea. Not a queen like Aquaman. Death will rise, hear our cry. I am Murloc. I am death.